Hey guys, Kevin here, Automotive Elegance. Today we're going to be talking about the do's and do not of maintaining paint protection film. Do not wash the vehicle for the first 48 hours after taking it home. Remember folks, this is a wet install application and we just want to give the film a chance to settle in and do its thing. After the 48 hours is up, ensure that we're washing off things like bird droppings, bug guts, and tree sap right away, as this will help ensure the film looks as good as it can for years to come. Secondly, use a nozzle 25 degrees or greater. Don't use anything less than that, as it could harm not only the PPF, but more importantly, it could harm the paint. And also remember folks, when pressure washing, do not get too close to any of the edges of the film. Remember, we're letting the water rinse the vehicle, not do the cleaning. Lastly, once the car wash is finally completed, you can use products like XPEL Ceramic Boost to help maintain the film's like-new appearance for years to come. The best part about it is the vehicle does not need to be ceramic coated in order to use it, and it can be used on surfaces such as the glass, the paint, and the wheels to help maintain that like-new appearance for years to come. And that's it, folks. Maintaining PPF is really that simple. If it's good for the paint, it's good for the film. If you ever have any questions, don't be afraid to give us a call or stop into Automotive Elegance anytime.